Hello students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School Latur. You are learning in class 1st subject English. This video I have prepared just for the revision purpose so that whenever there will be exam, you can see this video and it will be helpful for you to do the revision of particular topic. So let's move towards it. So students, here we are going to do revision on the poem number 9, My Kite. Already we have learned this poem in the previous video. So here just we are going to revise the whole poem. After that, one by one stanza wise we are going to discuss about the question answers on this poem. So let us move towards the poem. First of all, I will read out the whole poem for you. Flip flap rises my kite, up and up in the sky that is so blue and bright. Flip flap goes my kite, sometimes to my left and sometimes to my right. Flip flap flies my kite, high and high above, it fills me with delight. So dear student, there are 3 stanzas in this poem. Now let us discuss one by one all stanzas along with its questions. First stanza, flip flap rises my kite, up and up in the sky that is so blue and bright. In this poem, the boy is telling us that his kite is rising up and up in the sky. It is rising with a flip flap sound and the sky is blue and bright. Now let us discuss about the question answers which can be asked on this stanza. First question for you. What does rise in the sky in this poem? And the answer is the kite rises in the sky in this poem. Let's move towards the second question. What sound does the kite make? And the answer is the kite makes flip flap sound. Next question. Where does the kite rise? And the answer is the kite rises up and up in the sky. Next, how does the sky look? The answer is the sky looks blue and bright. Next question. Which are the rhyming words in the above stanza? Rhyming words means the words which end with the same sound, and there are 2 rhyming words in this stanza and they are kite and bright. Now let's move towards the next stanza. Flip flap goes my kite, sometimes to my left and sometimes to my right. Here the boy is telling us that his kite is going to 2 different directions. Sometimes it is going to the left and sometimes it is going to the right side of the boy. Now let us discuss which questions can be asked on this stanza. First question for you. Where does the kite go? And the answer is the kite goes sometimes to the left and sometimes to the right. Let us see the next question on this stanza. Which are the rhyming words in the above stanza? There are also 2 rhyming words and those are kite and right. Now let's move towards the third stanza. Flip flap flies my kite, high and high above, it fills me with delight. Here the boy is telling that his kite flies high and high above in the sky, and because of it the boy feels very much happy. This thing fills the boy with delight. Now let us discuss some question answers on this stanza. Where does the kite fly? And the answer is the kite flies high and high above in the sky. Next question for you. How does the child feel while flying the kite? And the answer is the child feels very happy. Next question. When does the child feel with delight? And the answer is the child feels with delight when the kite flies high in the sky. Now let us move towards the last question on this poem. Which are the rhyming words in the above stanza? There are also 2 rhyming words, kite and delight. So dear students, I hope your idea about all the question answers on the poem My Kite is clear here. You can revise all these question answers and prepare for your exam. So bye students, have a nice day.